How to hard reset Galaxy A36 5G. Step 1. Press the power key to turn off your Samsung Galaxy A36. Step 2. Simultaneously hold the volume up and power buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 3. In this mode, use the volume buttons to scroll down and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Then press the power key to confirm. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.